Hello everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to make a virtual home button for your iPhone. If your home button is broken or you just don't have a home button, you can do this using a setting called Assistive Touch. Alright, let's get into the video. So the first step is to go into settings and scroll down to accessibility. Now you're going to want to go to touch and turn on assistive touch. Now this thing will come here and it basically acts as a home button. I basically set it so it's a single tap takes you home, double tap brings app switcher just like a normal home button, single tap goes home, double tap app switcher, long press is Siri, right there. And 3D touch is also home, which I like this feature because if you 3D touch on your phone button on the thing, it'll actually make a little haptic. So that's really cool. And if you press harder than usual, it'll take you home and it'll also give you a little feedback. There's a haptic if you 3D touch it. Whereas if you just do a single tap, it doesn't vibrate. Now 3D touching actually makes it feel more like a physical button, so if you don't have a home button working, then it can be a very suitable replacement. Now if your home button does not work or it's acting up, mine was acting up, like after submerging it in water, it was acting up, so I just let it sit there and that didn't work. So what I did was go into general and I went to the home button thing and I just kept on moving this around and clicking it and kept on moving it around. And then it just stabilized by itself, so you could try that, or you could just let it sit there. I wouldn't suggest freaking out. I would suggest waiting about a week. You could use this in the meantime. That's how you make a home button for your iPhone. I think it's pretty cool. Hey Siri. Hi.
Hey there.
Yeah, if this helped you, then make sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.